This is the new Saramonic WiTalk9X. It's a new wireless intercom system from Saramonic. I'm your host Mauro, let's get straight into it. Let's go firstly on what I have got in this system. I have got the 3 headset system with the master headset with double earphones and 2 single earphone models. The big grey software carrying case, the battery charger that can charge up to 10 batteries, over-ear earphone replacement, headband cushion replacement, on-ear replacement phones, batteries, instruction manuals. Okay, so let's have a look on why are they so special. The new 3-way modular headband system looks to be one of the industry first to let users switch between a single ear, dual ear, and a helmet-ready configuration as little as 10 seconds. So you get all the configuration methods like 2 earphones or just one and what's best intended for your production. The batteries inside the systems are 1000 mAh batteries, 3.7 volts, and that will give you with the master headset up to 9 hours of usage. And when all the other headsets connected up to 4, they will give you up to 13 hours on a single connected headset to the actual main usage. And that will give you almost a whole day of usage, or with the actual charger you can charge them up to 10 and switch them on so you are covered all day or multiple days of shoot. The design of this system is actually not bad, with all physical buttons visible and with an audible confirmation when the buttons are pressed, so you don't mess up anything.
Mute on, mute off, mute on, reduction on, noise reduction off.
You have a volume control knob, power button, mic mute button, and an A/B group setting button. So you can have 2 teams, one the director team and the other camera crew team, and then you can select A and B and select the ones that you want to talk over. This function will be always available. If you get the WiTalk Saramonic BASE, you can get it additionally. On the mic bracket there is the noise reduction button. With the noise reduction on, it will dynamically suppress the background noise while prioritizing speech clarity. Another great feature about this system is that it uses 1.9 GHz rather than the 2.4 overcrowded GHz network. And that means it will give much cleaner signal and a much stable connection overall. The approximate range of this system is 400 meters, and I was testing it outside, and yes, I got pretty much 400 meters without any dropouts. But it will be much more stable inside when using to the walls, so it will get a stable connection inside also with this actual little antenna sticking out. And yes, you will get a stable more connection also around a lot of other objects that go in the way between you and all the other crew members. But yes, I don't have a production need of a 400 meter line of sight range, but we are shooting approximately to 30 to 50 meters max. In the lower part of the headset you have the USB-C connection, so you can charge up the battery straight connecting the USB-C, or for the firmware upgrade, or connect it to the WiTalk BASE. With the external monitoring jacks, you can monitor through our external earphones, reducing your head strain for long shooting scenarios, or for situations that need a discrete monitoring system. There is also a great announcer mode with the master handset. When you press and push the talk volume knob, all the handset will be muted and only the master will be talking to them. So you can mute all them out and say something like that. You are all fired, this is a nonsense thing, you can't do it like that. Or you can always announce it like that. Everybody, lunch is served, we have a 5-minute pause and then we get back to shooting. So all members will be listening without interference. The same function can be also used on other handsets, just not as a master announces, but just when you press it, you can talk to others, and when it is not pressed, you don't talk to anybody. So this system is built to be pretty versatile in all kinds of production. And yes, this will be here to stay in my own ongoing productions as a ready-to-use system for my teammates to get all my directions ready. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a video, and see you on my next one.